Everyone has ideas, but how you develop that idea is the difference between good and great. Understanding the product development process can help turn your ideas into realities. Inventus Partners brings products to life every single day. Hi, I'm Roy Morjean, President and co-founder of Inventus Partners, a full-service product launch agency that helps people develop, crowdfund, and market their ideas. For more than 20 years, we've worked with creative entrepreneurs and inventors to bring their concepts to life. After the prototyping process, you need to start building your supply chain. This involves deciding on materials, manufacturers, storage, shipping, logistics, fulfillment, and sales strategies, just to name a few. By now, you've finalized the prototype. In looking at your prototype and creating a bill of materials that spells out everything required to make your product. This will include a list of raw materials, assemblies, parts, components, and quantities of everything. Know where you plan to source on things like motors, screws, bearings, etc. After you finish the bill of materials, it's time to choose a manufacturer. One of the biggest decisions will be whether to manufacture domestically or overseas. Advantages to offshore manufacturing include lower labor and facilities costs and access to storage and shipping. It may also open up additional markets for selling your finished product. If your product is produced mostly with an injection mold, it's worth noting that the costs are roughly the same domestically and internationally. Though tooling in the United States is pricier, get quotes from a few manufacturers to decide what's the best fit for your product will be. If marketing made in America is important, you'll want to factor in any increases in manufacturing costs in the price of your product. Once you've lined up manufacturing, you'll want to design the packaging. This can be the difference between a consumer grabbing it on the shelf or walking past it. If you're selling online, you'll want to make sure that you've designed a user-friendly website that inspires consumers to buy. The product development life cycle is exciting and daunting, right? There are so many tiny details to get right before your product ever reaches your customers' hands. But if you need any help with those steps, make sure to reach out to me. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to learn all about product development, crowdfunding, and marketing so that you can build your brand and achieve your goals. Make sure to check out all the other marketing materials we have as well, and I'll see you soon.